Here's a steam engine I just received from an eBay purchase. I was going to tear this down and rebuild it. I think it's a pretty old engine. And actually, I just took it out of the box. And here it is, running quite smoothly on 3 pound of pressure on air. I'll run it on steam later. This engine has about an 8-inch flywheel and probably 2-inch bore cylinder. The base is probably 3/4 inch cast iron, brass or bronze cylinder, and we'll see as we tear it down to polish it and paint it what else we find. But this engine weighs about 20 pounds and measures about 13 or 14 inches long. Right now I'm pretty pleased with it. And as promised, here's a short run on steam. I'm just using my Jensen 20 as a source of steam, so it's not a real big boiler. So it probably won't run long, but beautiful old engine for all the more I paid for it. Today's project is going to be to make a base for it, and then I'll do a complete tear down and paint and polish.